Legoland!
Brick or treat?
And Brick or treat.
Come with us to Brick or treat.
And suddenly,
Wow.
whatever happened to Grand Carousel? If you were riding.
Hey there, friends. Oh my gosh, Scarecrow! It's the Scarecrow!
This is my favorite show at Legoland.
Witches' grooves, rhythmic beating from the tombs. Just 6 sticks. Ghastly spirits from near and far are waiting for you in the Groovin Graveyard.
If you want to see the full Groovin Graveyard show, check out the link in the description below.
Oh, sweet! The spell is written on the candy!
Yeah, we're doing a scavenger hunt for candy corn letters and in a candy store. Let me see your treat bag. Oh, zombie rocker pirate.
Brick or treat?
Hey, look at the good bits, right? Yes, happy Halloween.
Depends on the day.
I love your dresses.
Last boy!
Okay. Bill! How was it? Okay?
It was definitely okay. I'm now the Frankenstein! You guys got it!
Got him. Oh,
What you doing?
Trying to make a spider.
For the web.
That was awkward.
Hi!
Hello again.
Hello! What's up? Yeah, you want some candy? Yeah? You think so? You think you're ready this time? Like, are you
And they're all super cute. Oh my gosh! I saw you earlier. Look at the good witch came in with Brick and the Scarecrow. Well, welcome. Let's do this.
Lady, don't fear. I'll share a story with you all. The tale of Pirates' Cove.
Everybody's sitting out here waiting for the fireworks.
Our tale. Long ago, on this very cove, there was a town right where you be now. And this little town was the home of the notorious pirate Captain Dreadbeard. Captain Dreadbeard! Yeah! No soul alive knows what happened to Captain Dreadbeard. But out of the fog, a ghostly ship began to appear.
Legoland gives you really cool glasses that make it so every burst of light you see looks like a set of Lego bricks, which is really cool with fireworks, but pretty awesome with any other lights too. I actually have 2 pairs of these Legoland goggles that you can use to look at lights. If you subscribe and comment below, I will choose 2 subscribers, and if you'd like to give me your address, I will send you a pair of glasses.
How do I know this story, you may ask? I know because I was there. I be Captain Dreadbeard.
Thank you!
Where are we going next week?
3.
Tip, tip, huzzah! She's better than you.
Find out next week on the Roaming Rogers Family Travel Channel. I love this guy.